And yeah, like this hair is just bomb. Like I don't know what to tell you guys.
Hello, what's goody? It's your girl Brie MH back at it again with another hair install video. Today's video, the hair is from Ayiyi. I'm not sure how you pronounce the name of this company, but their @ will be on the screen and their information will be in the description box. But shout out to this hair company because this hair that I'm about to install, guys, bomb AF. It's so pretty. So they sent some eyelashes with the hair, also this little pouch with some more eyelashes in there, a wig cap and a headband and a clip. This is what the wig looked like straight out of the box. This is what the lace was giving. I'm not sure if it's transparent or what, and that's the inside of the wig. I did end up dyeing the wig jet black, water dyeing it jet black. So yeah. And then here's just me installing the wig as always. This is a quick and fast install. I feel like I'm getting better and better at doing these. Like, it's not taking as long as it usually would for me to install my wigs anymore, which is great.
Nah, cause is it crooked or what? Is it just me or does it look crooked? I think I keep doing that by accident. Pulling this side too forward. I don't know, but we're gonna make it work.
Yeah, for some reason when I installed the wig, like, I felt like it was crooked, but it was okay. Nothing that I couldn't fix. Look at my tits, Jesus Christ.
It's giving scalp. It's giving very much scalp. I don't know how these girls make a TikTok and record a video at the same time. How are you guys doing that? Because I'm struggling right now. How am I supposed to cut? I'm supposed to cut the middle lace on TikTok. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna do it and come back. Literally trying to film a TikTok and do this at the same time is not working out for me. So I think I'm gonna just continue on recording this video and just do the end result of the TikTok.
Yeah, I was recording a TikTok at the same time as doing this video and I was literally struggling. It's hard.
I'll just be back when I've cut off all the lace. Okay, I'm trying my absolute best to make it look like it's giving scalp. In the mirror, it's like, it's almost there. It's more so the left side that's giving scalp than the right side. I don't really know why that is, but I just feel like every time I do curly hair, I don't know where to place the frontal. My forehead looks so dazed, bro. Fuck.
Let me just mention that I bought this mini flat iron from the thrift store for $4.99. So the prices of mini flat irons have definitely gone up in the past like couple months or so because of Arrogant Tay revealing how he does his baby hairs. Go to your local Value Village or the local thrift store. Trust me, you'll find one. All you have to do is clean it. And you could use it. Are you guys crazy? I'm not spending $60 on a mini flat iron. You must be insane. Go to the thrift store, you'll find one.
Oh no! Why is this happening? This is thoroughly pissing me off, so I'm gonna have to figure it out off the camera and come back because this is pissing me off right now. Ah! Why does it look like that? I thought that these baby hairs were gonna be A1, bro. I don't know what the hell went on here. And there's just so much got to be glue on my forehead. No, sir. Okay, actually, they don't look that bad. They just don't match. As you can see, they don't match at all. I tried to get this side to look like this side, and it didn't really work out. Wait. My forehead looks humongous. Now, this side needs to be fixed somehow. I'm gonna come back again. I'm scared of how I look right now. I'm actually scared. Okay, I really tried to fix this side to look like this side, but it's not really working out. My baby hair skills have just been not it lately, and I don't know what's the cause. So I think I'm gonna just relax. Okay, so I'm gonna do what I need to do. I'm gonna go do my makeup and hot comb the top of this and come back. I don't think I'm gonna wet it, you know, because I love how it looks right now, poofy and nice. So I'm gonna just do my makeup and shit and come back. Okay, bye. Hi, so this is the final look. I absolutely love this hair. It's so soft and curly. Like, the curls are really pretty. They definitely look like natural, I find. This is what the baby hairs, how the baby hairs came out. I don't know why this hair strand keeps going down here, but yeah, that's the end result. I feel like I left like a good chunk of lace here that could have been cut, but it is what it is. It kind of blends in. What the fuck is that? That's hair. that when I was brushing, some hair came out. But shedding is expected with curly hair, okay? If anyone tells you otherwise, that is cap. But what was I saying? Yeah, the hair is very pretty. It's very nice. This is 22 inches by the way. So, you know, it's kind of long. I don't really have any complaints. I wish that I did a better job with the baby hairs, but that's a personal thing. That's my problem. I don't think I mentioned that I did dye this unit. I dyed it jet black with the jet black Odor dye. But yeah, I really like it. It's very light. It's very pretty. And yeah, like, this hair is just bomb. Like, I don't know what to tell you guys. Sorry, the lighting is actually kind of bothering me, but this hair is just bomb as fuck. It's just really nice. And then when I put it in the side part, it's gonna look so good. Oh my god. I kind of want to put it in the side part now, but I'm not going anywhere. So shout out to, I don't know how to pronounce the name of this company, but it's IE. I think it's how you say it, IE. Shout out to you guys, because this hair is really nice. I really like it. I really like how it looked earlier when the curls were kind of brushed out, so I think I might wear it like that, to be honest. But the curl pattern is really pretty and soft. It's so soft. Oh my god. But yeah,
I have no idea what happened to the audio on this clip, but I was basically saying, actually I don't remember what I was saying, but thank you guys for watching this video. Really appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think about this hair in the comments section. If you made it this far, drop a black heart. This hair is literally bomb. I think this is one of my favorite curly units that I own. Shout out to Iggy or whatever your name is, but You guys really did that with this hair. It's so nice. And I still actually have this wig in today. And it's been like a week and a half. So, yeah. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.